About this thing tripping out. Looks like it's got a new protector relay on there. This sucker. That should stop it from opening now. I'm gonna check our oil flow. Let's see what we got for oil flow. Looks like he's got a new pump on it and different things here. Let's see what we got for oil flow. Oil flow, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Could be something to do with the power venter, I'm thinking. Let's look at the nozzle, see what we're getting for that. CAD cell looks all new. Protector relay looks new. Might have something to do with the power venter, that's what I'm thinking. But let's see what this looks like. Whoa, look how high them electrodes are. That might be what our issue is. See how high they are? The head's dirty also. Let's see what we got for... Yeah, electrodes might be off a little bit. It's important to keep this plate clean. This thing will reflect the light. Help it. CAD cell stay on. Got a big plate on this thing. Really need some cleaning on this shit though. It's an awful big plate there. It's important to keep this thing clean so you get good reflection. I wonder what the nozzle looks like. $85.70. That's what we'll put in there, a little 75. We'll reset it, we'll readjust everything. The filter was fine. I seen how there was a lot of carbon on that nozzle, so I'm going to reset these. Let me give it a little bit more. Bring it down a little bit more and reset it. This thing's an awful big plate. I don't really like that. That might be what our issue is. We're gonna bring the electrodes down some. Give it a little bit. Give it a little better start. It's gonna definitely start better like that. I wonder what our draw assembly set at. We're gonna see. Let's see what we're set at here. So that's right where I want to be. Okay, that's where we want to be. This head is awful big. Make sure we get enough light in there. Keep the protector relay on. Probably have to reset the air band once we start it. We have to reset the air band once we start it. Let's see what happens here. Alright, so new nozzle, good oil flow, reset draw assembly, and electrodes, reset air band, and I fixed the damper. So we'll let it ride and see what happens. This isn't gonna, because that tab's ready to break off, so that's good. We're getting a good draft over the fire. Getting a good oil flow, getting a good spark. Resetting the electrodes is probably what's gonna do it for this. Transformer looks new. Protector relay looks new. Pump's new. I don't know what kind of condition the motor's in. It might be an issue with that too. But right now it's working. We'll let it ride.